Hi again. If you've watched my previous videos, you know you're about to be bored. Just kidding. This is Casey. I'm with Foundations Decor and something unique, Fancy Pants Designs. In 2019, Steve and Foundations Decor acquired Fancy Pants Designs. And the best part is, Jody Sanford is still designing for us. We love Jody. Shout out to Jody. Everybody tell Jody in the comments you love her. But we wanted to show you some of our brand new lines that we're premiering here at the show. This one, the first one, is called Cherry on Top. You're seeing the collection kit right now that comes with 2 sheets of each paper. Comes with the chipboard and also the puffy dots, which are a crowd favorite. But we wanted to show you each of the papers real quick if we could. Just a little bit closer look, get them in the light a little better. Some fun cut aparts, a cool pattern paper with ice cream cones. You know, we go through the florals, we go through the word, and a lot of these work great with our wood projects as well for Foundations Decor. But we did still put a few of those really large print iconic papers in the line that give it its familiarity to what it truly is. And then going on to the embellishments, so there's a chipboard again. Get that one out of there so you can see it better. Yep, the chipboard again. We have some fun tags and labels, a little tags and labels kit. You'll be surprised on the cost on that, very reasonable. The most popular piece, ephemera pack, again, puffy dots. This one is unique because it's the only one that has these awesome bright felt pieces. I don't know if you can tell how bright they are, but that's a fun little embellishment to throw on the kit. And then of course we top it off. We did change a little bit. Instead of doing 6x6 pads, we're doing the 6x8 pads, hopefully in all 3 of our lines, to keep the card makers a little happier. It's a little bit more reasonable of a size for you guys as well. And they are double-sided, shrunken print. Moving on, we're gonna show you the vitamin C line. All double-sided, 65-pound cardstock again. That's a fun, leafy one, bright leafy one. Now that's where I want to be right now, laying on a pool lounger at the beach. I tell you, you can't keep me out of the pool when it's summertime. Pineapple is a popular icon. Cool, unique bird's eye view of what maybe a beach might look like on a Saturday or Sunday. And then also some good plain stripe papers, things that keep it consistent, the easy to use type papers, and again, cut aparts, which we were asked for. We left them out of one line in our last release, and people are like, never leave out cut aparts. We need cut aparts. Moving on again, some of the same types of embellishments. We've got the tags, the ephemera pack, but the unique one here, rub-ons. One of my favorite types of embellishments ever. Part of that's selfish. I like to use them as tattoos. I'm not gonna lie. But you can use them on your papers, on your cards, on any of your little mixed media arts that you do. Ephemera pack. We do have the chipboard in that line as well. Really cool icons like the bus. And puffy dots, and of course, the collection kit with all the 12x12 papers, 2 sheets of each, and the embellishments to help make it your favorite. I want to show you one last line. This has been the favorite line that we came out with at the show. This is our Cake Smash collection. I'm guessing you can take a wild stab in the dark at what Cake Smash might mean. Yes, it is birthday thematic. It's not limited to birthday because there are some cool pattern papers in there, but it is a crowd pleaser here at the show because everybody keeps asking me, they say, we need a birthday line that isn't just for a boy or a girl in blues and pinks. We want a bright, fun, gender-neutral birthday line. Well, guess what we're giving you? That fun, bright, gender-neutral birthday line. We're going to take a closer look at some of these papers. I'm going to toss that down. Of course, it's got the 6x8 pad with all the papers in it. Shrunken design, again, makes great cards, would make great birthday invitations. I think you should use it for that as well. And we'll go through some of these papers. Look how cool that one is. Ooh, that one might be my favorite. Ooh, no, actually, I like the candle one. We're gonna get there, don't worry. Beautiful plaid. Again, bright, pops right off the page, and you don't have to worry if it's a girl or a boy birthday, right? Oh, the cut apart, yeah, look at that, that's cool. Make great little guest lists, invitations, stuff like that. And then would also go great with how bright your birthday is when you go to Chuck E. Cheese and you take all those pictures. This is gonna go great with that, you know what I mean? Got the chipboard, tags and labels, the ephemera pack, so popular. You're gonna be happy when you see the price of our ephemera pack. Trust me, came down a little bit. Cake Smash, the puffy dots for the Cake Smash, and this is a really cool and unique thing. You're thinking, oh, those look like really plain stickers. Well, they are plain stickers. You know why? Because you build your own. It's going to be upside down for a second. You build your own stickers. You can put the exact amount of candles on the cake that your son or daughter might be at the time, unless you're celebrating 120th birthday. You're going to run out of candles, and I'm sorry about that. I'll talk to the designer. I'll talk to Jody and say, what do we do for the 120 plus category? But anyway, that is our new collections. Again, the 6x8 pad. That is our new paper collections from Creativation in Phoenix. These lines will be shipping in February, so start looking for them. February 2020. Start looking for them now.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.